get started. The first videos are going to be terrible. Mine are cringy.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello there, everyone. We are with
Scott.
And what's your channel? How many subscribers do you have?
My channel's called NerdSync, and we have 430,000-ish subscribers.
Awesome. What's your channel about?
So I take comic books and superheroes and use them to teach about real-world things like history, philosophy, culture, art, that kind of stuff.
A value proposition, well established. Make sure to pay attention there, folks.
There you go.
What was your YouTube light bulb moment? When did things start to click for your channel?
You know, I started doing not educational stuff. Like, my channel started that way. It was more just fun, entertaining.
Yeah.
And then I just kind of followed my curiosity. And I was like, what if I tried to educate people through this kind of pop culture just out of my own curiosity? And I found that people really liked it. And I was like, well, I'm having a lot of fun doing it. People seem to like it. Let's just see where it goes.
When you upload a video, the creative process is one of the hardest things, but then you've also got the daunting prospect of pitching this video to YouTube as an algorithm robot type, I guess, enemy, you might call, in the superhero stake. So what do you concentrate on when you upload a video? Is it like the thumbnail, the title, descriptions? What's important to you?
Yeah, I think it's very important to focus on. I mean, it's super cliche and super obvious, but a good title, good thumbnails. I look at my, quote-unquote competition, see what their audience is expecting, and kind of pull from there. So even little things like, in the comic book space right now, weirdly, white and yellow text and the same thumbnail is something that everybody is doing.
Okay.
That's what the audience is expecting.
Yeah.
So little tiny details like that to be like, well, that's what the audience is looking for. I'm going to try to adopt that, kind of get in there.
Awesome. It's like channels are trend-setting themes and styles.
Exactly.
Yeah,
so people,
cool.
it's like you can recognize what the video, like what kind of video it is just based off the thumbnail.
What was the best YouTube decision you've ever made?
Oh man, the best decision I ever made was probably just getting started doing it, honestly. I mean, I didn't know where it was gonna go, and I just, people always say to follow your passion, but I feel like some people don't know what their passion is. If you follow your curiosity, that's where it you start discovering some really awesome stuff, for sure.
Was there did you feel like a personal barrier? Were you scared to start a channel, like you were just procrastinating over it, or did you just jump into it?
I just jumped into it. I went to college to be a film production major, and I realized, well, instead of just learning about it, I want to dive in and actually start making videos. And I jumped into it, and my old videos are so cringy and terrible, but I didn't wait around. I know a lot of people wait around until they have the right gear, until they have the right, ideas or whatever. I mean, get started. The first videos are going to be terrible. Mine are cringy, but it got me started, and I'm really happy about it.
If you were to give one piece of advice to new YouTube creators starting today, what would that be?
It's something that I've never been able to do, but if you really want some practical advice, stockpiling videos is a really great idea. I'm always working week to week to week on next video, next video, next video. But if you have a bunch, if you're just getting started, no one's expecting anything from you just yet. So you can make, a month worth of videos before you even publish anything. Yeah. And then that way, you can just always be ahead of schedule. Unlike me, where I'm always behind schedule, it's not a great place to be.
Obviously here at vidIQ, we're fascinated analytics. What gets you out of bed in terms of analytics every morning? What are you looking for and find interesting?
Ooh, I love the new analytic they rolled out about impressions and click-through rates. That's been my bread and butter. Every time I upload a new video, I wait, I have to see, is this thumbnail clickable? Is this, title something that's really getting people going? I love that. And I also just love, seeing where the videos rank in terms of tags, obviously using vidIQ, seeing where we rank on certain search terms. That's really fascinating to me.
Awesome. Thank you very much for your time, Scott.
Yes.